Iran is known for being one of the main drone powers in the world, having a vast arsenal of kamikaze drones, UCAVs, reconnaissance drones, and multi-role drones, as proved in the ongoing 2026 Iran war, where thousands of drones were fired by Iran. But there is something more in Iran's arsenal that is surrounded by mystery. On February 2nd, an Iranian drone flew from Ardabil to Khoi and flew the entire western border of Iran under the code KOME 2703, as seen in Flight Radar 24. Also, on February 22, 2026, an Iranian drone flew the entire southern coast of Iran, back and forth, from Khuzestan to Sistan-o-Baluchistan, as seen in Flight Radar 24 under the code KOME 6670, and it flew for 3.5 hours in total. You may ask, what is so special about this drone? Well, it is something never seen in Iran's arsenal. A drone that flies at more than 450 knots, which is more than 800 kilometers per hour, and it flies at an altitude of 32,000 feet, which is more than 9,700 meters. Actually, Iran has a drone that flies at that speed, and it is the Kara drone, but it has a range of only 1,000 kilometers, which is far less than what the KOMA series, or KOMEL, as referred to in the media, achieved. So what it can be? Iran has multiple drone programs, such as the stealth Sofre Mahi, which translated into English means Eagle Ray, is an UCAV project which underwent tests in 2011, but it was never revealed to the public. This prototype has a diamond wing shape and it features twin vertical stabilizers, according to General Aziz Nasirzadeh. The mysterious drone seen on February 2nd and 22nd may be an upgraded version of the Shahed 147 high-altitude, long-endurance drone, which was unveiled in 2023. In fact, this drone can reach altitudes of about 20 kilometers, but its speed is estimated to be at most 400 kilometers per hour, thanks to its turboprop engine, which makes it go half the speed of the KOMEL drone, and the latter may be an upgraded version with a jet engine placed instead of the turboprop one. This UAV may be a copy of the JAS-313 stealth drone presented by Iran on 6 February 2025, and it features a jet engine which can justify the 800 kilometers per hour speed. But we don't know much about this drone. That's why we can't know about its flight ceiling and if the speeds match. However, considering the size of the drone, its estimated endurance of 1 hour, and the different name, this is not the KOMEL drone that appeared on radar. Another hypothesis is about the declaration of the Iranian general Hossein Salami in June 2021, when he said Iran has drones that can cover a range as far as 7,000 kilometers, which is more than half of the distance between Iran and the United States. As of the time of recording this video, Iran's longest-range drone is the Shahed 136B, which can travel 4,000 kilometers, so there is a big difference. The fact Iran has not utilized yet most of its drone models means that the Iranian leadership is confident in having control of the war at the moment, so they don't need to field the most advanced equipment. But if the war continues, we may see the KOMEL drone in action. In the end, the drone, by leaving its transponder on, was probably meant to be seen on radar to give a signal to the enemies of Iran that there are surprises to come. If you came to the end of this video, then thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, and comment if you want to see more videos like this, and please leave any suggestions in the comments.